Welcome to Valencia Trails. We are here in North Naples off of Immokalee Road, just east of I-75. This beautiful new construction community is built by GL Homes. There's over 500 acres of property here, over 150 acres of preserve, and eventually there will be 850 single-family homes. Now, we're gonna explore the amenities, we're gonna talk through some of the real estate options, and you're gonna wanna watch till the end because there's a very special limited time offer that the builder is offering that you can explore the community, explore the amenities for a very inexpensive price. Let's get inside. Now here we are at the amenities at Valencia Trails, and this is really the epicenter of the community. It's gorgeous. I mean, the clubhouse is absolutely astonishing. When you visit here, you're going to want to make sure that this is the first stop. Even before we go to the models, this is the first stop because this is really where this is where people get together. And in fact, they actually have a restaurant inside called Gather Restaurant and Bar that gives lunch and dinner options. We've talked about the resort style pool that's inside. There's an amazing spa. We have this beautiful fitness center and arts and an art classroom. And we even have a chef culinary experience that you can enjoy while you're inside the amenities. So really has pretty much everything that you would want in a community right here in the amenity center. I'll tell you what, the outdoor amenities are incredible here at Valencia Trails. I am outside at the pool area. You can see the resort style pool behind me here. Over here we actually have the lap pool, and then check this out. We've got a resistance pool. So that is a circular pool. Water is flowing, so you can just constantly swim in one direction, or hey, if you want to go with the flow, you can do that as well. And then we have a spa here on the other side, but plenty of seating, beautiful outdoor space. This is what Florida living's all about. As you can see, the racket sports are extremely popular here at Valencia Trails. There are 8 pickleball courts, 6 tennis courts, and I'll tell you what, this is just what fun is all about. As we start to explore the real estate here, the model homes are just absolutely amazing. I've got to tell you, this is one of the best, if not the best, community for looking at model homes that I've ever seen. With over 15 different models, there are great options for single-family residents that fit all of the different dynamics that we're looking for. So there are 4 different collections of homes. First, we have our Shoreline Collection, and those start from the $700,000 price point. In there, we have Sandpiper, Flamingo, and Pelican. So obviously all named after birds, but our size in there is anywhere from 1,600 square feet up to 1,954 square feet. These do come with a 2-car garage, and you'll see a lot of them have this beautiful stone along the front, flat tile roof. It's really a nice architectural, a nice architectural look. And then the next collection that we have is our Atlantica collection. These homes, there's 3 different floor plans in here. We have the Nautilus, the Coral, and the Pearl, ranging anywhere from 2,200 square feet up to 2,450 square feet. So you either have a two-bedroom or a 3-bedroom home. They're a little bit larger, a little bit wider lots, and those start at $900,000. Next up, we have our Coastal Collection. There are 4 different floor plans in the Coastal Collection. We have the Seabreeze, the Oceana, the Sunrise, and the Marina. And these either have a 2-car or a 3-car garage. We're on a wider lot here. These start at the $1 million price point and go up from there, but they're about 2,600 square feet up to 2,900 square feet as your standard floor plan. And again, really nice. These are wider. If you have the need for a 3-car garage, you're going to want to start here in the Coastal Collection. And then if you are looking for the nicest options that are in Valencia Trails, you're going to be in the Gulf Shore Collection. So here we have the Sanibel, the Estero, Captiva, and Bonita, which are named after our beautiful towns here in Southwest Florida. And those range from 2,800 square feet up to just under 3,500 square feet. All of them come with a 3-car garage. It actually shapes out to be a 2-car, 1-stall, and then a separate 1-car stall. And these floor plans have really tall ceilings, beautiful floor plans. They're the most sprawling collection that we have here in Valencia Trails. And again, as I mentioned, there's going to be an option here for everybody if you're looking for, this particular price point in a 55 plus community. This is really a good option that you may want to consider. So that really wraps up the tour. But if you remember in the beginning of the video, I said that there was a special limited time incentive that GL Homes was offering. So when you reach out to us, we can connect you to be able to provide you a 3-day stay here in Valencia Trails. Get to experience these amazing amenities for only $99 for 3 days. Again, this is very limited time. I don't know if this will still be around when you're watching the video, but please reach out to us directly. That's info@gulfpointproperties.com. We'll have the information below in the comments, and we'll be able to make you come to Naples and enjoy Valencia Trails. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.